In today's video, I'll teach you how to add Google search bar to home screen on Android. So if you want to do that, what you have to do is simply long press on the empty space on the home screen. After you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option widgets that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see various widgets that can be added. What you have to do is scroll down, find this option for Google and tap on it. Now the option for Google will be expanded. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find the Google search bar. Now what you have to do is touch and hold the Google search bar. After you do that, place the Google search bar in the home screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here the Google search bar has been placed to your home screen. You can simply tap on it in order to use the Google search bar. So that is how you add Google search bar to Android home screen. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.